In an accident, it's the brake pads that you count on more than the airbags. Absence of either of these and you'll be a hammered meatball. When it comes to choosing the best brake pads for vehicles, it's their performance you should stand for. I am being sarcastically metaphoric to emphasize your need for the best brake pads for Silverado 2500 HD. Here are the top 5 best brake pads review to save you from the unnecessary confusion. Let's get started. Number 1. Acdelco 14D785CH Advantage Ceramic Disc Brake Pad Set. It will provide quality braking power in a reticent and low-dust package. With a wide range of coverage, these unique designed brake pads are rightly suitable for vehicles like GMC, Hummer, Cadillac, and Chevrolet. It is known for its amazing performance. You can enjoy a safe braking performance with these pads. The shims, slots, and chamfers are also of great structures. They help in noise reduction, decreases vibration, and braking harshness. The pads fit perfectly after installation. Any filing or grading is not needed. Highlighted features. The structure of these pads has made them durable and perfect for braking. The high-quality ceramic, semi-metallic and organic formulas ensure its reliability. The price of this product is also very affordable. It is designed to prevent dust from your vehicle's wheel. The installation process is also very simple. It's considered a pocket-friendly product. Number 2, Power Stop K137 Front Brake Kit. It will bring all the braking advantages you need with cross-drilled rotors. They are not only designed for daily driver performances but also racing operations. These high-quality ceramic pads will take you to the ultimate safe braking experience. The slots of this product are rounded to sweep away the maximum amount of dust, gas, and water to manage a clean contact between the rotors and the pads. There are also drill holes to maintain a better heat exchange and decrease the operating temperature to the minimum. Highlighted features. It is a certified product. The set includes 2 cross-drilled and slotted rotors, Z23 Evolution Sport carbon fiber ceramic pads, upgraded hardware kits, and great performance lubricant. The rotor is coated by zinc as protection from corrosion. Low-dust ceramic formula pads that are refreshed with carbon fibers. This thermally scorched carbon fiber ceramic construction ensures the maximum braking solution. The back plate is also powder coated and the shims are covered by rubber. Number 3. Acdelco 17D785CH Professional Ceramic Disc Brake Pad Set. It can provide you everything you'll need for the maximum braking performance. It is engineered to work together and is an ideal replacement for many vehicles on the road. The construction of these pads ensures the safest experience. You can install it right after receiving it. These pads will provide the expected fit, form, and operations. Highlighted features. It is certified and tested by SAE J2784. The pads maintain ceramic, semi-metallic, and organic formulas that assure safety and authentic coverage. The pads help in effective braking, noise reduction, decrease in vibration, and braking harshness. Perfectly structured shims, slots, and chamfers help in the reduction operations. It's a quiet and low-dusting package. The installation process is hassle-free. Number 4. Wagner QuickStop ZD785 Ceramic Disc Pad Set. It will ensure even braking performance throughout the pad life. These pads are certified, tested, and designed for an ideal braking experience. It has a high-quality construction and some application-specific designs. It will restore like new braking operations. The OE fit and form structure provides steadiness in braking. The pads are used for the rear wheels of your vehicle. You don't need any extra tools or preparation for the installment as well. Highlighted features. All the components of this product work collectively. Formulated to fulfill the unique needs of the vehicle. The specific chamfers, slots, and shims help in reducing the noise caused by vibration. The gradual post-cured process ensures even friction performance. It is a durable product. The cost of these pads is also very affordable. Number 5. Acdelco 17D784CH Professional Ceramic Front Disc Brake Pad Set. This brake set is built with ceramic and is designed to use less metal. This construction protects the pads from some extra metallic problems and ensures the safest and most reliable braking performance. It can be a perfect replacement for many vehicles on the road. The friction material is molded to the backing plate. It assures bond integrity and the perfect compatibility of rotors and pads. You can get the expected fit, form, and functionality from this product. The shims, slots, and chamfers are also high quality and provide reduced noise, vibration, and braking harshness. Highlighted features. It is tested and certified by SAE J2784 for its braking effectiveness. The ceramic, semi-metallic, and organic formulas help in the safety and reliability. The pads will provide full resistance against corrosion and premature wear. The decent and low dusting package will provide great stopping power and quick break-in. It is a durable, cost-worthy, easy-to-install product. Buying guide. Choosing the right brake pads for your vehicle depends on when they're replaced, what material they're made of, and whether they're reliably sourced. Here are the few things need to check before buying brake pad for your Silverado 2500 HD. They are: weather performance. Good brake pads should be able to perform in all climates, regardless of whether it's dry, wet, muddy, warm, or cold. Cold bite and hot bite. Your brake pad should perform as intended and provide ideal friction whether it is hot or cold. Maximum operating temperature. This is the highest temperature the brake pad can read before becoming unsafe through disintegration. Friction response to temperature. This is measured in a friction profile, noting how much force you need to apply to the pedal to receive the same response in emergency braking compared to regular braking. Pad and rotor lifetime. You need to consider how long the pads are designed to last as well as the rotor when engaging the brake pads. Noise and vibration. You'll want to consider how much noise, vibration, and even pedal feel pressing down on the brake pad will cause. Dust levels. Brake pads may collect dust that then clings to your wheel. As it can be a matter of our life and death, it's very important to invest in the best brake pads. Being unaware of the brake pads can cause severe accidents and injuries not only for us but also for persons ahead. On the other hand, if you change brake pads when needed, you won't have to change brake discs maybe throughout the vehicle life. A good brake pad can boost your confidence. Be safe and enjoy.